So another cheap power bank from Jumia, and this one is called Philly. You know, the one I've bought before I showed you about was this S-Elec power bank, which I have used for over 8 months now. In fact, I've bought it twice and it works. It is not fast charge. Forget about the fast charge rating here. It does 10 watts, which is 5 volts, 2 amps. And it works well. So I'll recommend this one. This one is about 8,500 when I got it from Jumia. So I'm going to put the link in the description. That's roughly $6, you know, thereabout. That's kind of impressive. But I didn't know that something would be cheaper than this. That is 20,000 milliamperes rated. So I'm going to look at this one. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to quickly open it up, see whether it has that number of battery capacity, and also I'm going to use it for about 2 weeks and I'll do a full review about that to know whether I'll recommend this. And make sure you follow, subscribe so you can see all that. I might even do some experiment with it and actually add a quick charging circuit to this one to see how it performs. So make sure you like, share, follow and subscribe to see that video. And until I see you in that one, it is peace to our world.